TikTok.
TikTok has launched a new feature that allows users to shop directly from its app.
TikTok affiliate marketing is a massive opportunity on probably the most disruptive platform of the past decade. And now with the newest, most lucrative feature that TikTok has launched, affiliate marketing has been more possible than ever. Like, this is a huge opportunity. And we don't know if it's going to be a flash in the pan, if it's going to last a while, but we know that right now there is a big opportunity to make a lot of money on TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 ways you can monetize TikTok with affiliate marketing, starting with the biggest one and probably the most obvious one, which is with TikTok Shop. So since TikTok launched TikTok Shop several months ago, they've been making millions and millions of dollars. Sellers have been making millions and millions of dollars. So this is obviously a very lucrative strategy for TikTok. And what they want is they want creators to promote these products. That's the best way to get these shared and out in front of these viewers. And in order to do that, they're pushing an affiliate program. So TikTok, we've seen this before on many other platforms. Whenever a platform is incentivizing a new program, there's so much opportunity there. So now is a great time to get started with TikTok affiliate marketing. So method number 1 in this video is going to be tagging products from TikTok Shop. So if we just go on TikTok right here, you can find any TikTok that has a little link on the bottom. That's a very common thing these days. And that is actually an affiliate link. So if I go and tap on that, I can check out as a viewer, I can check out on TikTok, I can make the purchase. And when I make that purchase, the creator of the video that I first saw when I clicked on that link is going to get a commission. Sometimes it's $5, sometimes it's $10, but whatever it is, you can imagine how as you get massive viewership, which TikTok definitely allows you to do, it's a huge platform, you can really scale this pretty substantially and make a lot of money as more people buy those $5 or $10 products. Think about it. If you make one video and that video gets several million views and you're able to get 1,000 people to go through that link right there, and it's a $5 commission, you just made $5,000 off of one video. And unlike a lot of other platforms, which may require you to go out and buy a lot of products and have a lot of overhead costs so you can actually make the content about those products, TikTok is now allowing you to get free samples for these products that you are then going to promote. It's very easy within the platform. You can get free samples of all types of different products and then make content about them and then make affiliate commissions on that, plus the added bonus of getting a free product in the first place. So there are 3 main criteria to get started with this. One of them is that you have to be at least 18 years old. The second criteria is to, of course, always comply with FTC. FTC compliance is very, very important. We'll talk about that later in the video. That just means disclosing what you're doing in the video. And then part 3 is that TikTok wants you to have 5,000 followers in order to enable this. Now, that's not necessary. You can actually set this up with less than 5,000 subscribers, at least at the time of filming this video, and I'm going to show you how you'd go about doing that. All right, so we have a lot of links to talk about in this video. None of them are affiliate links. They're just regular TikTok links, but they're kind of complicated. So I'm gonna leave them in the description below and I'm gonna number them in the video. So link number 1, we're gonna start off on link number 1, which takes you right here. And if we click on join now, it'll scroll down and give you this barcode. So if you go on your phone, if you go on TikTok, let me actually get my screen recording here. So now on TikTok, what we want to do is go to the little hamburger menu on the top right. Then we're going to tap on my QR code, and then we can tap on the scanner on the top right. This will allow you to scan right there the barcode or the QR code that pops up on your desktop. And if you have 5,000 subscribers, this will bring you into the program. This will allow you to go in and accept it, and then you are in. If you don't have 5,000 followers, it'll tell you that you are not eligible. And that brings us to the next step in this video. For anybody who is not eligible, it's really simple. We just have a couple extra steps. What we have to do is essentially become a TikTok seller. You don't have to sell anything, but you need to be registered as a TikTok seller, and then you'll be able to be a TikTok affiliate marketer regardless of how many followers you have. So in order to do that, go to link number 2 in the description below, link number 2. All right, so link number 2 allows you to set up your TikTok shop. And like I said, we're not actually selling anything. We're just creating the account here so that we're able to be an affiliate on the app. So I'm going to click on get started. And then it's kind of weird that you have to do this. You have to scroll down to learn more down here, learn more. So click on learn more, and that'll bring you to this page right here. So now you can either sign up with your TikTok account or just make a new one. I'm going to make a new seller account right here with just my email. You could use your phone number as well. So I'm going to type in my email. Then we type in our verification code, and then we can create a password. And now it's going to ask us a couple quick questions. So if you are an individual, that's great. It's sole proprietorship. If you filed for a business, like if you're an LLC, for example, you'd go down here. But I'm just going to say individual for now. I'm going to use a US driver's license. Now you can create a shop name. And again, this doesn't actually matter what you're doing here. Just I would recommend for primary product, don't do anything like supplements or food or anything that might be regulated. I would go with something like household appliances, maybe is an easy one. And that'll bring you over to this page where it may take a minute to get reviewed. You can add your tax information, and that brings you to this page. Now, it may take a minute for your business to be reviewed and approved, usually like 15 minutes, maybe an hour at the most. Now, once you get this little green check mark right here, we are going to click on the top right. We're going to click on My Account, and we're going to click on Linked Accounts. Then on TikTok, we'll go back to our menu. We'll go to My QR Code, and once again, the scanner. And then right here, we can click on Link Official Account. Now, we'll get this little QR code. I'm not going to scan it right now with this because it's linked to a different account, but you would just scan that and that would link it up. And then you will be able to tag products on TikTok Shop. Now that we are all on the same page, regardless of your account size, we want to make some content and tag some products, or we want to request products, some free samples that we can use in upcoming videos. Either way, you're going to do the same thing right here. We need to get into the interface for creators. So we're going to go up to the top right, tap on the little menu icon, tap on Creator Tools, and then tap on TikTok Shop for Creators. So this is the little Creator Center I was talking about. So the TikTok Shop Creator Center has some resources telling you maybe how to promote some successful videos, things like that. But this banner right here is really what I am most concerned with. So we can tap on Go to Product Marketplace, and you can see there are a ton of products that you are able to promote. You can search for products based on what you found that was successful for other people if you're researching it, or if you know that you want to do a specific category, maybe electronics. Like I have a tech review channel, I would check out electronics, and I can just scroll through here. Some of them are going to be junk, like maybe I just am not going to ever review this little watch right here. Honestly, I don't think I would, but maybe there's other things like, hey, maybe fast charging. You can earn $1.80 for everyone who buys that, and it's $9 to buy that. People are probably going to need it anyway, so it's a pretty easy impulse buy. And so we can use that kind of stuff. So let's go down and find something that I would maybe be interested in. So maybe this thing right here, the air purifier. It is $171 for somebody to buy it, and you earn, I believe, what did that say? $26, $25.65 per sale. So a 15% commission is really pretty high. And the best thing is when you look at this product here, you're able to request a free sample. So, I mean, assuming you don't have 0 followers, it might be a little harder to get approved then. But if you have some following, you can go and request a free sample, and you just have to select what you want, the default one. We can request free sample. We'll fill out a little form, and then we can input like our shipping, and they'll send it to us just like that. So I'm not going to request a sample for this one, but let's just say I already had one. What we want to do is we could either say add to showcase, and that way we have a showcase of products on our account that people can go find. If they ever go to our profile, they can find those. Or of course, you could just say right now, let's create a shoppable video. So we can create with CapCut, or you can post a video right now. So if I have a video, let's say I already have a video, I'm going to say add. We can name the product. I'm going to leave it as the name that it is right there. And we can film a video. So this is just a quick little sample video that I'm going to have. Obviously, you could upload any other video that you have. If you filmed it, pre-recorded it, I'm going to go with this right here. So now I can hit a little check mark. We can say next. So that'll bring you to the metadata page for the post. So you can type in, of course, hashtags and a caption, the location, who's going to view it, where you're going to share it, and stuff like that. Of course, accept a music usage confirmation on the bottom, and then you can just publish that. Now you'll see the product is already tagged here. Now let's go back, and if I make a video, let's say discard this. Let's go back and just go back to the TikTok interface, the homepage on TikTok, all the way back right here. So if I go to create and I have a video, let's just say I'm going to publish this one right here. I could say next. And so this one, I didn't go through that same interface, that same way where we find the product ahead of time. Instead, if you already have a video and maybe you just regularly post with the same product, you can say add link right here. You can say product, and we have several different options. So I can say we can add from collab invites. We can add from the product marketplace, from our shopping cart. So as we're looking at products, you can add them to your shopping cart. That's what I personally do. It's an easier way to find the products when you're actually going and publishing. So if I say shopping cart, like right here, maybe this ice maker, I can add that to this video. Or another option, of course, if we go back, is to just search for the product individually. So if I say add link, add product, and we want to add a product from product marketplace, you can then go, like I said, exactly the same interface we saw before, but now we can go and search and say, I want to add maybe this one right here. We can name it, and that's going to be tagged in our video. Now, a couple other things I want to show you about TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. For one, from your account page, you can also tap on the little shop icon in the middle, and here we can see our showcase, so we can add products to our showcase. That way, when people go to our account, you can see right up here, showcase right there. So if you have any products showcased, they can show up there and people can click on them and buy through that. So maybe your top 5 recommended products. Or what you can do, like I said, is scroll down and just kind of browse through other products down here, or go to find other products. Just another way to access the creator marketplace. Now, I do also want to show you one other thing. If we go to creator tools, we go to TikTok Shop for Creator. And from here, you can tap on the little bell icon on the top right, and these will tell you any notifications you have, any people who are trying to work with you. So you get a lot of proposals through here. I've had a ton that I honestly just ignored, but you can also message through here as well and discuss, free samples and stuff like that with potential sellers that you might want to work with. You can see a whole message right here, and I could reply to them if I decided I was interested in any one of these products. Now, not every product needs to have a relationship like that. There are plenty where you can just go. Maybe I already bought this Wise Cam, for example, and I could simply tag it in a video and start earning $5.40 per conversion. Now, of course, it's very important to be honest and not just be very salesy with this. People will sniff it out if you were just making an advertisement for these. And honestly, if you want to get the most views and the most conversions, you need people to trust you, and you need to genuinely like the product in order to promote it. So that is option number 1 for affiliate marketing on TikTok. That's the one that is going to make the most sense for most people out there. You can look for products, get the free samples, promote them, and get paid all through TikTok. But if you want to get into other affiliate programs, options 2 and 3 are going to be great for products that are not necessarily on TikTok Shop. And so the option 2 is going to be kind of an old school one where you make a link in bio that has essentially a storefront of other products that you recommend. And so in your video, you'll just say, like, I have a discount link to this in my bio. So people will go over and they'll find it. And so it's a couple extra clicks to get there, but it can still convert very well, especially for more expensive products. If you're reviewing like an 8-sleep mattress, for example, their commission could easily be in the hundreds of dollars. It's an expensive product, of course. So let's just take a look at, for example, my friend Ramal. I think he probably has a link. If we go there, we could tap, he's got a link right there, link in bio. It's a classic thing. Pretty much everybody does it. And this will link out to like other socials, but it looks like down here, he has links to like the Opera browser, Facer for Wear OS, PlayStation Portal, a couple other things that I don't know if these are affiliates or not. I'm not confident. Like, I didn't ever ask him this, but it is presumed that you could put affiliate links or sponsored links in a bio, a link in bio similar to this. Now, you can make that very easily with Wix or with Squarespace, and I'll link videos down below on how to do that specifically. But that brings us into the third option we have for promoting links in your video. And this is to essentially verbally say it and to also show it on your screen. In order to do this, you need a very simple domain. You need something that's memorable. You need something, maybe it's like mikeobrien.shop/earbuds. And you can say that in the video. People can remember that. They can type it in on their laptop and they can make a purchase. And so in order to actually set that up, this is really cool. So you can actually set that up through a lot of different things, maybe like Genius Links, maybe Bitly, different apps out there. What I personally would recommend doing is making that through WordPress. And again, I have a link down below to a full tutorial on how to do that. So if you want to make like very memorable links, you can use your own domain. You choose your own domain, and then you can choose the little slug. It's called the slug at the end, the little like /earbuds, /iPhone, whatever. And you can make that very custom for every single one. And what's cool is you can track how many people click it, what device they're using, and a lot of other information like that, so that you are able to manage everything on the back end, even after you publish the video. If you ever have to change the link, maybe it was going to Best Buy sold out, you need to link over to Amazon, you can change that on the back end. So that is another great way to do things. Now, the benefit of option 3 here is that you can use the same content then on Instagram Reels, on Facebook Reels, on YouTube Shorts. And because you said and showed the link on screen, it doesn't matter that those platforms are not connected to TikTok Shop. In fact, all of them will distribute the video very well. Like, you can still get a lot of views, if not more views on Instagram Reels, for example. And in the end, at the end of the day, and you can still convert on all of those different platforms. Again, I'll have links in the description below on how to do those. I have full tutorials on both of them. But the last thing I want to mention in this video is it is incredibly important that you are following the law. I don't know where you are right now. If you're in the United States, then FTC is going to be what you want to follow. Other places have their own regulations. Always look into your own local laws. Don't be opaque. Honestly, Your audience is going to appreciate if you tell them that, hey, this is an affiliate link. You have to be transparent with people. And the truth is, a lot of people are going to, once they know that it's an affiliate link, they're going to want to support you. Like, they're going to say, hey, thanks for the information. I appreciate it. And I want to help you out. I'm going to buy it through your link. It costs nothing extra to them. I think more people than not would appreciate the transparency and would be more likely to be a dedicated viewer. And of course, more likely, in my opinion, to use your link in the first place, compared to if you just try to hide it and didn't really tell them. So that's your crash course on how to set up TikTok affiliate marketing. Like I said, it's a really powerful platform. There's a lot of options on here. If you're able to make content that people really like watching and really it starts to go viral, then you can start to make a lot of money with affiliate commissions on TikTok. That's it for TikTok affiliate marketing. I wish you all the best of luck with your affiliate marketing. Let me know in the comments below how it goes for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.